Hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Claude Code in VS Code. So guys, if I told you that you can use powerful AI coding inside your VS Code without paying a single dollar and without internet, then I'm sure you won't believe me. So guys, in the next few minutes, you are going to turn your VS Code into a fully offline AI coding machine using Ollama. So no subscription and no limits. So guys, watch the video till end without skipping any of the step. Otherwise, you won't be able to set up your Claude Code in VS Code. So guys, let's get started. Guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and just search for Claude Code. And here you can see the official website code.claude.com. You need to just click on this link. So guys, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see it's showing Claude Code overview. Just scroll down and you can see depending on operating system, we have different commands available. So you can install on Windows either using PowerShell or using command prompt. So I'm going to do it through PowerShell. So I'm going to copy this command. So here just click on this icon and just copy the link. And now just open PowerShell. So here in Windows search, simply type PowerShell, and here the PowerShell is started. Paste the command which you have copied and hit enter guys. So it will take a while, and here you can see it's showing installation complete, but here it's showing one message or warning, that is Claude Code require Git bash. So we have to download Git bash. So again, I'm just going to my browser, and here I'm simply typing install Git, and here I'm just taking this website, official website. I'm clicking on the link, and now here it's asking me to choose your operating system. So I'm just selecting Windows operating system, and here you can see we have a link for downloading Git bash for Windows operating system. So I'm going to simply click here to download, and guys, it will download Git bash. So let's click on this exe to start the installation. I'm closing my browser guys. Here it is asking me permission. I'm just clicking on yes button, and now here it's showing me license. So I'm going to click on next button. And now this is the destination location where your Git bash will be installed. If you want to change, click on browse button. I'm keeping default and clicking on next button. And now here, if you want to create a shortcut on desktop, you can just select the first option. Now guys, click on next button, and here also it's showing start menu. Click on next button. Now choosing the default editor used by Git, here from drop down we are going to select VS Code as default editor. So just select this option, use Visual Studio Code as Git's default editor, and click on next button. So guys, here for branch name we have two options, override or the let Git decide. So I'm going to select let Git decide, and I'm going to click on next button. And here adjusting your path environment. So again, I'm keeping the default one and clicking on the next button. Now choosing the SSH executable, again I'm keeping the default one and clicking on next button. And then HTTPS transport backend, keep the default and click on next button. So many of the things you have to keep default and go on clicking next button. Here also keep the default one guys, that is configuring the line. So next button. Configuring the terminal emulator, keep the default one and click on next button. And now here also keep the default one and click on next button. Choose a credential helper, keep the default, click next button. Configuring extra option, enable file system caching, that is keep the default and click on install button guys. So it will start installing your Git bash. Okay, so now here you can see it's showing me Git bash installation is done, and we have two options, readme file and launch the Git bash. So I'm just unchecking readme file and I'm just launching Git bash. Git bash is started, so I'm simply going to close this, and now I'm going to PowerShell again, and just repeating the command which we have previously typed. So here my command is getting executed, and guys, you can see it's showing me Claude Code successfully installed. It's showing its version along with location and what next step is to be done. Okay, and installation completed, but below it's showing one note. So in note it is showing that this path is not existing in environmental variable, so we need to add this path. So I'm simply going to copy this path and I'm going to add to environmental variable path. So here let me just copy, and in Windows search I'm just typing env and starting environmental variable, and here I'm clicking on environment variable button, and under system variable I'm selecting path and clicking on this edit button, and here I'm clicking on new button and pasting the path which we have copied from PowerShell. Okay, done. Now click on OK button, and one more time OK button. So path setting is done. Now we'll go back to PowerShell and we will type Claude space hyphen hyphen help. Here you can see it's showing me error. So what we will do, we will just close this PowerShell and we will start again, because we have already set the path in environmental variable. So this error you get when it does not recognize the path. So just close this PowerShell and start again. So I have just started, and on this new PowerShell I'm simply typing Claude space hyphen hyphen help, and guys, you can see now it's not showing me any error. It's working properly. Now instead of Claude hyphen hyphen help, I'm simply typing Claude. So you can see it has taken me to Claude. Here it's showing me various theme option. So whatever theme you like, based on that theme you can select. Just you need to press up and down arrow to select the option, and once you decide whatever option you want, just hit enter. So I'm just selecting dark mode and I'm hitting enter, guys. And now here on this page we need to select the login method. So Claude account with subscription, if you have subscription of Claude, you can select that and you can provide your login detail.
So guys, I'm not going to log in over here. I'm moving to step number 2. After setting up Claude Code, I will be installing Ollama. So now I'm going to show you steps for installation of Ollama.
So guys, you can open any of your favorite browser and simply search for Ollama. And herein guys, you can see the search result. This is the official website. You need to simply click on this link. Now guys, it will redirect you to this page, and here you can see we have download button. Just click on this button. Now here on download page, it is showing downloads based on operating system. So it has already detected for Windows operating system. So here we have button download for Windows. Just click on that. And guys, you can see the download has been started. The file size is in GB, so it is going to take a while. Okay guys, my download is done. Now to install it, I'm simply going to click on this exe. You can close or minimize your browser. And now here I'm going to click on this install button. And the installation has been started. It will take a while. Okay guys, so the installation has been done and it has started this page. And here it's loading models. And you can see now we have option for selecting the models. So you can select the model and you can use Ollama locally at your PC.
So guys, here you can see it's showing different models. Some are offline model and some are cloud-based model. So here I'm just selecting DeepSeek model. And guys, this is cloud-based. So I need to sign in. So here I'm simply clicking on sign in button. It is redirecting me to this page. If you have account of Ollama, you can log in. Otherwise, you can log in with Google. I'm just signing in with Google. So I'm just selecting any of my Gmail account and I have just signed in successfully. And now guys, here you can see it's showing connect device. So I'm going to click on this connect button and you can see it's showing message device connected successfully. Okay, so now I'm going back to Ollama and here you can see my sign in is successful. Now it's not showing me sign in button. So now here I can give any task which it can perform. So here I'm just giving task that write hello world program in different programming language, and you can see it's doing the task and it has completed the task. So Ollama setup is done, guys. Now step number 3 is what? We need to go to VS Code and we need to install some extension to it. So let's go to that step. So now here I have just started my VS Code, and here guys I'm just opening one of the folder. So here I'm just selecting option from file menu, open folder, and I'm just selecting one of my folder, test folder. I'm clicking on select folder option. It's asking me whether you trust this folder. I'm clicking yes button, and now I'm going to this extension tab, and here I'm going to search one of the extension, Claude Code, and you can see it's showing extension Claude Code for VS Code and provided by Anthropic. Okay, and here is the install button. So guys, I'm going to click on this install button. So it will ask me, do you trust the publisher? Yes, I'm going to click on yes button. Now here installation of Claude Code is done. You can see install, it is showing, and at the top right guys you can see it's showing Claude Code open. Okay, so that means my Claude Code has been installed successfully. So now what I will do, I will just go to my folder here, and also I will click on this Claude Code option. So guys, you can see it's asking me subscription, Claude AI subscription, Anthropic, or Bedrock, or some other subscription it is asking. So I told you initially that I'm not going to pay anything for it. So you can see at the below we have one option, prefer the terminal experience, run Claude in terminal. So I'm going to select this option, but before that I will go back to Ollama website again, and there I'm going to select model option, and you can see we have so many models available. You can select any of them. I'm just taking this Minimax, and I'm just going to this Minimax model, and if you scroll down you can see there is application option, and in application we have Claude Code, and this is the code which has been given. We need to simply copy and paste this code on the terminal of Claude. So I've just copied the code. I'm coming back to VS Code, and I'm going to click on this option, run Claude in terminal. Okay, so if you don't want to click on this option, you can open a terminal from VS Code and do this task. So I'm selecting run Claude in terminal, and now you can see my Claude has been started, but it is starting with some of the different model, and I want to change it to model which I have selected, Ollama model. So for that it will ask you certain details, some permission. So just click on yes and allow and everything. So guys, here I'm just pressing Ctrl C, and after that I'm just pasting the command which I have copied from Ollama website, and I'm hitting enter guys. So now here my Claude Code has been launched with Minimax model, which is a model of Ollama and which is free one. Now I can give task to this model and it can work for me. So here guys, I'm simply providing one task to it, that give me a system info. So you can see here it's showing me all my system info. So guys, whatever task you want to give, you can just provide over here. So I have just given some of the task. Also I'm giving one coding related task, that create a student management system project in Node.js. So you can see guys, it is creating directory, it is creating file, everything it is doing. In between it is asking some of the permission. So you need to allow for it just by selecting yes. So now here you can see it's showing me different option for student management system, like if you want to add the record, if you want to delete a record, if you want to view the record. So it is doing task for me. So guys, this way you can set up Claude Code in your VS Code and with Ollama model, so you don't need to pay anything for subscription. I hope guys, by following my video you are able to successfully set up Claude Code in VS Code. So guys, if really my video has helped you, don't forget to hit on like button, and if you have any query you can put in comment box. I will surely reply to your queries. And guys, share my videos to your friends. And guys, I'm having a website there. I'm sharing lots of content tutorials. You can certainly visit my website. The link I have given in description box. All my social media link I have given in description box. Certainly you can join my social media. And guys, very important for me is your subscription. For creating such kind of video, it require lots of effort. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.